And he said unto them, Go ye into all the world, and preach the gospel to every creature. He that believeth and is baptized shall be saved, but he that believeth not shall be damned. And these signs shall follow them that believe. In my name shall they cast out devils. They shall speak with new tongues. They shall take up serpents, and if they drink any deadly thing, it shall not hurt them.
Socrates, the trial is over. Here's your hemlock.
Ah, thank you. Well, what was the verdict? When do I get out of here?
But Socrates, the verdict was death.
Death? You gotta be kidding me. For what?
For teaching the youth wisdom.
Well, I'll take it all back. Call him in here. I'll renounce everything. Let's get out of here. Let's go get some Chinese food.
But Socrates, you drank the hemlock.
So what?
It's poisonous.
It is? Since when?
Didn't you know hemlock is poisonous?
I do now. Look, I only know general things. What is truth? What is justice? I never learned details. I don't know what is poisonous and what is not poisonous. This is the kind of thing that irritates me about you guys. Oh. All right. So, I'm going to die. So what? When does this stuff take effect? 2, 3 years?
2, 3 minutes.
What a lousy day this was. All right. I'm going to lay here, and I'm going to die. And you know what's going to happen? You guys are going to go out, and you'll have dinner, and you'll sit and stare at each other. I was the only one who ever talked in this whole group. It was always Socrates, what is truth? Socrates, what is the nature of the good? Socrates, what should I order? Socrates, what are you having? And not once did anyone ever say, Socrates, hemlock is poison.